Won't you get in trouble if your mom sees you doing that?
Nah, my mom's got bigger problems. She doesn't give a crap what I do.
Wow, you are so lucky.
Come on, let's lock and load. You're not going out without a scarf, are you?
Nah, I don't need one.
It's your health. Think I can hit that bottle?
Yeah, probably.
Shows what you know. Hey, check this out. That's my dad's shooting car. Just 3 more payments and it's ours.
Oh, cool. Can I get a shot now?
Hang on. First, how about I try and peg you in the stomach?
No thanks.
Or what about you put on these nerd glasses and I shoot 'em off?
No way. Come on, quit hogging the gun.
Bet you can't hit that bird from here.
Are you crazy? I don't want to shoot a stupid bird.
That's 'cause you know you can't. You're not a super stud like me.
Am too.
Are not. You're an octowussy. Whoa, look at me. I'm Bart Simpson. I'm scared to use a gun. I want to marry Milhouse. I walk around like this. La, 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 la.
Hey, quit it! Oh my God.
Whoa, major shot. You even compensated for the crooked sight.
Crooked sight?
You are one cold-blooded killer, dude.
But I didn't.
Right through the neck! Doesn't get any sweeter than that, Simpson. Savor the moment.
I rolled up all the stock. What's next?
While I deal with this, why don't you start on that basket?
All right. Oh, I hate folding sheets.
That's your underwear.
Well, whatever it is, it's a two-man job. Where's Bart?
He's up in his room. Bart!
It's okay, Marge. I'll get him. Bart!
What the heck's going on?
We need Bart to help fold your father's underpants. Where is he anyway?
Bart? He went to play with a friend.
He didn't go to Nelson's, did he?
No. I'm pretty sure he's with Milhouse.
Milhouse!
What?
Tell Bart to come home!
I think he's at Nelson's!
Who's Nelson?
Nelson? I explicitly forbade Bart from playing with that little monster. Oh, Bart is in deep, deep trouble. Oh, yes, and punish Lisa for lying to us.
All right, young lady. I want you to march yourself directly to the Quickie Mart and get me some chips and a beer. Get a little something for yourself, sweetheart.
Should we bury it or chuck it into a car full of girls?
Hey, leave it alone.
Okay. Don't kill me, killer.
Don't call me that.
Relax, Simpson. It was either him or you. No court would convict you.
Bart Simpson, do you know why you've been summoned before this tribunal?
Yes, sir. Because I killed an innocent bird.
Dear Lord, we just wanted you to put fresh newspaper on the tribunal floor.
We're knee-deep in our own droppings. It's disgusting.
But since you've confessed to bird slaughter, we have no choice but to peck your face off.
No, not the face. Ow! What are you doing?
I got bored, so I started slapping you.
Uh-oh.
Young man, you're coming home with me this minute.
All right, finally a real home.
Not you, Bart.
Oh, see you later, killer.
Killer?